I am Vidyarthi. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Recalta. In our association, we were associated with one of the verticals, which is Pick My Work, which we started in 2019. And that is how we were connected to the Vadhvani program as well. My background, I'm a typical engineer. I did my engineering from VIT Vellore. Went on to work with General Electric for a couple of years, did a fellowship with Make a Difference, and then completed my MBA from FMS Delhi. Went on to work with Deloitte for another couple of years in their supply chain practice before starting up Recalta in 2017 and Pick My Work in 2019, which is a vertical under Recalta. So VFT program has been very helpful, very interesting, very innovative. So we were associated with VFT from October to December of 2020. It was a great time, and I think one thing that stands out for us through the entire program is the reach of the Vadhvani Foundation. Right, so gig work is not the first. It's not happening for the first time in India. Flipkart was doing it through its delivery boys. Big Basket, Swiggy, Zomato, etc. have managed their delivery fleet completely on a pay-per delivery or a pay-per-ride model instead of fixed salaries. And when we wanted help from people who have already done it before, VFT program sort of helped us immediately. And within days, we were getting connected to the people that we just named. That was what was brilliant and stood out for us. Thankfully, the entire program happened during the COVID time. So it was a time when the focus was on managing costs primarily and figuring out a way to keep costs while you sort of show a revenue growth. So it was a very interesting time, and Vadhvani Foundation helped us a lot. So one of the best advice that we got was, so when we were looking for a senior level position, right? And we were struggling to hire for that senior level position. One very interesting advice that we got was, why don't you promote somebody from the internal team itself instead of going for that expensive hire and, which could also potentially go wrong. It could not work for us. So the idea was that promote somebody internally who already has the experience and, make do with that, and not unnecessarily shoot your experience. Although it seems very simple, but as founders, when you sort of get too much involved in the process, you miss out the simple things, and that is where the mentorship also came in very handy. The other thing that happened was the entire intern first approach, where instead of hiring full-time people right away, we took a decision to hire people as interns first, and so that the costs do not increase, and at the same time we measure the performance of these interns before giving full-time offers. So essentially, cost management, COVID, and Vadhvani helping us at the right time, the right side sort of advice, even though it was pretty simple, was very handy.